When should you market your book? Hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, and welcome to my writing studio. You have to look at marketing and promoting your book as a marathon and not like a sprint. And by that, what I mean is you have to look at it for over a long period of time, and that will depend on the lifespan of your book. You've probably heard me talk about the lifespan of a book quite a few times now. If you don't know what that is, check out this video where I talk more about it. But to briefly tell you, every book is expected to sell quickly for a short period of time, and that's the time when the publishers focus on marketing the book the most and try to recover their money as fast as possible. Now, depending on the lifespan of the book, there'll be times when you will be aggressively promoting your books, and then there'll be times when you will be passively promoting your book. Now, based on the time that you're looking at with the lifespan of your book, you have a number of months or years in mind during which time you'll be promoting your book actively and putting in money to promote your book. So you should have a budget in mind. The amount you are budgeting should also take into consideration buying patterns of your readers. Like, do books in your genre tend to sell more during particular season, around particular holidays, at the time when a new session starts in school and colleges? So take into consideration the buying pattern of your readers, and during those seasons you'll be promoting your books more aggressively. During off seasons you'll be not actively putting in a lot of money to promote your book. Now, a lot of things I have learned over the years after I've published my first book. So I didn't do a lot of these things for my first book, but I've done a lot more research into marketing, and I continue to do that, and I'm planning to implement the new things that I've learned for my next release. When I do that and I have more information about how these new things work for my book, I'll share more about it in another video. But for now, I'd like to share that the sooner you start promoting your book, the better results you'll have. Think about promoting your book at least 3 to 4 months before your release date. Hopefully by then you have already started building your author platform where you can share about your book. If you don't know how to go about that, check out this playlist where I mention about author platform and how to build your author website. Marketing and promoting is also a very uncomfortable thing for a lot of us, mainly because a lot of us are introverts and we don't like to talk about ourselves. Also, we don't like when people are constantly selling things to us, so it's very uncomfortable to constantly sell to someone else. So you have to have a marketing plan that balances out, where you are not constantly only talking about your book. So it's good to invest some time into your marketing plan so that you can promote your book without getting on people's nerves. I'll be trying a bunch of new things that I've been reading about and researching for my next book release. And if you'd like to know what I'm planning to do and how these marketing strategies work out for my book, subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell on to all so that you don't miss when I share those videos. Don't forget to leave any questions you have in the comment section below if you'd like me to answer them in one of these videos. Check out this playlist if you have any questions about self-publishing, or this one if you'd like to know more about the cost of self-publishing. And I'll see you in the next video.